closed down the interstate, closed down lanes for miles to do this dumb shit right here. Just to put in oversized speed bumps on the goddamn interstate. You third world country ass motherfuckers. If I wanted to ride on some raggedy ass shit every day, I would go to Mexico. Shit, I don't think Mexico supposed got roads this fucking. The interstate system where you collect. Oh, y'all double dippers with the fucking damn fuel tax. You mean the money goes into Excite bike ramps? BMX ramps on the interstate? Raggedy ass shit. Anybody remembers coming across this raggedy bitch last year, maybe the year before, how they had lanes closed and people was backed up for like miles and miles and miles? This is what you did with this shit? A few miles back, it was way worse. What do y'all do when y'all get together and come up with the budget? Well, I-70, let's just make it more fucked up than what it was. We'll just fill in the potholes. It'll just be the same. It just look like we actually did something. We'll make nice little rectangles every like 20 feet. You would have thought you was riding down there by Shreveport on this shit. This is how the money, the taxpayer dollars get spent. You just couldn't put out some decent asphalt. We gonna put some concrete right over on the right in between some asphalt, and then we'll say, oh fuck it, and we'll just make one big concrete slab like this one right here. No, fuck it, we're gonna go right back to damn blacktop. You guys are fucking retarded here, man. And then we just gonna mix it up with blacktop and more concrete, breaking people's fucking axles and fucking damn leaf springs and blowing people's fucking tires out. Oh, let's turn it back to some more